Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to be comparing Home Assistant and OpenHAB to see if which one is the best open source home automation. So let's first start with Home Assistant. So Home Assistant is a popular open source home automation platform known for its beautiful dashboard and extensive device compatibility. So this one, it runs locally and prioritizes privacy. Next is the OpenHAB. So OpenHAB is a Java-based home automation platform with powerful rule engines and bindings. So it's highly customizable and it works great for tech-savvy users who want full control. Next is we're going to be comparing the features. So both platforms supports Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, and Matter. So Home Assistant has an easier UI while OpenHAB offers more granular control. So you can consider your technical comfort level on this one. So just a pro tip, Home Assistant is better for beginners while the OpenHAB is for power users. Next is the device compatibility. So check with which devices you already own or plan to buy. So both platforms supports thousands of devices, but Home Assistant typically has faster integration updates for new products. So just a pro tip, you can use the Home Assistant Companion application for mobile notifications and control. Lastly is you make the choice. So for most users, Home Assistant offers the best balance and ease of power. You can also choose OpenHAB if you need enterprise features or if you prefer Java-based customization. But lastly is both are excellent. You can always migrate later, and you can also start with one experiment. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!